This is the Veto Tech MCT bag. This is my residential install and service bag. I don't do a whole lot of residential, just ever so often. So some of the tools not as busted up or anything inside here. But I'm just gonna go over what I carry, show what I got in here. So on the front, got nylog in here, this little pocket, utility knife, the locks, refrigerant service locks. I think this is GB, no, Gonic. And then little scissors. Right here in this front pocket. On the side, tape, pin, a little flashlight, marker, thermostat screwdriver, another thermostat screwdriver. I like this one the most. Got different bits. Pull it out. Everyone usually carries these, right? Spins in your palm. Another Sharpie marker. Side. Jumpers. Flashlight. Another marker. Live electrical wand. I always like fluke stuff. Measuring tape. This is Klein's. This is magnetic on the front. We'll start in this pocket. So down in here, I got this little ratchet kit right here. It's nice and small for furnaces, tight spots. And you got your different socket sizes here. And you got different bits. It's Husky Depot. Some channel locks, Apex channel locks up front. Different bits in here. Some needle nose, a couple crescents. It's the JB Schrader torque tool. Stubby, the 8-in-1 Klein. I like this one actually a lot better than the other one. Some Linesman's, tiny little crescent on top, just the extra multi-tool screwdriver on top. Insulated screwdrivers, Milwaukee, some dikes, demolition screwdriver right here, Phillips in there, flathead right here, wire strippers down in here. That's pretty much on this side. Like I said, this is my install bag too. So I'll carry this when I do installs. Come on. Now I got this little bag I carry in the front. It's like my miscellaneous bag. I got all kinds of crap in here. Sandcloth. When you're checking line temps, you want to clean it. So I use this to clean it off. Loctite, micron gauge, Phillips, wire nuts. So this is all what I carry in this little husky bag. Bunch of Schraders, Loctite, bag of wire nuts, different refrigeration fittings. This is for a micron gauge. Caps, bits, cookie buster bits, different sockets, extra jumper wire, 11/30 seconds, must have. Headlamp. Some wrenches, extension. This one's pretty nice. Tighten extension, pins. Getting those weird spots. Service wrench. Keep my tips in here. Micron gauge. Always use Buvec. Don't like anything else. Y'all know why. Allen wrenches. Another service wrench. More Allen wrenches in there. Stubby gauge. High and low. Schrader cold tool remover. Got two. Then I got the 5/16 one. Mini splits. Mirror on the wall. More Schraders. More ball valves in here. Ball valves down there. Thinking jumpers, alligator clips. Another mirror, ratchet, 5/16 1/4 inch, nut driver. Got a couple of wrenches right here, hiding in the back. I should put those on there. These are hiding. Got this tool on here. See if I can get that. Come on. This Milwaukee. Get at a tight angle with the drill bit. It spins. It's a chuck attachment. This is the old one actually. Nothing up there. And then I got, that's just the furnace switcheroo magnet. This thing actually sucks, but sometimes it works, I guess. Oh yeah, that's it for this bag. My ductwork and sheet metal stuff I carry in an open top bag and in buckets. I don't carry it with this stuff. But yeah, that's everything in this Tech MCT bag from Veto. It's a nice bag. Had it for a couple years. Like I said, I don't do a lot of residential. Mainly commercial stuff, but when I do residential, I have a separate bag because it's mainly going to be install stuff, some service. But yeah, that's it.